Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to cook African village food. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. Time was not on our side and the only option was mabungulia. Once you wash them, you have to slice them into sizes and shapes of your choice. This is mabungulia. In some village, they call them eggplants. Let me know in your village how you call them. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. This is Giriama coastal Kenya, Africa. The pan having the hot oil, I will then dip the pieces. This is minced meat. I will then add turmeric, vinzari nyembamba, mdalasini and salt respectively. With all the pieces of the eggplant having the minced meat, I will then roll it. This will then continue till I'm done. On the other hand, mom is required to prepare coconut milk. In the kifumbu, she will then place the grinded coconut, add some little water and squeeze it for us to achieve coconut milk. This is Giriama coastal Kenya, Africa. On the other hand, she will join me to prepare the ingredients. And today we are using grated tomatoes. Remember, it is a must you oil the whole pan first just before you place it on fire. After placing the eggplant, I will then add the onions, grated tomatoes, and first-class coconut milk respectively. Finally, not forgetting limau. Let me know in your village how you do it. Drop a sweet comment for you, girl. As I give it some time for it to cook, I will then go ahead to prepare papuri. When preparing papuri, they are very fast. You don't have to use both a rolling board and a rolling pin to roll it. You can only use your hands. Let me know in your village how you do it. All is ready. Let's serve it. Remember, this is the most suitable way of preparing mabungulia. Let me know in your village how you do it. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Let's enjoy the food. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to turn your notification bell on for it to be notified when a new video is up, please do so. Like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.